Want to get more likes on your Facebook page for free? I've got a trick that I use with all of my agency clients, but I'll run into people all the time that don't know this trick, so I want to teach it to you. By the end of this video, you will know this trick and how to use it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you have had figure out my social media on your to-do list for who knows how long, but you just keep shoving it down because you're overwhelmed. You don't know where to start. I want to help you. Every week we put out a quick video to help you with a different piece of your digital marketing strategy. So if that sounds like something you could benefit from, go ahead and hit subscribe, click that bell, so you'll be notified whenever a new video comes out. So you're trying to get more likes on your Facebook page without spending money. I totally get it. So go to one of your recent Facebook posts. And by the way, this is so easy, you might feel ripped off after I show you. Like, I watched this video for that, but if you don't know this trick, it's really, really cool, and I promise that it's quick. So you go to the page, go to one of your posts that's doing well, and then down here at the bottom of the post where it shows you all of the people, or how many people have liked, loved, basically added a reaction to it, click on that, and it'll actually bring up this entire list of people that have engaged with your post that way. You'll see most of them here have already said like, because they've already liked your page, but scroll down, and those who haven't liked your page, it'll give you the option to invite them to like your page. Now, at first I was worried about bothering people and annoying people, but these are people that have already engaged with your content. This is not like when a friend starts a new page and they invite everyone they know, even if you haven't talked to them in 10 years. And Facebook will only let you invite them once. If they ignore it, it just shows that they've been invited, so you don't do it again. So, one more tip too. Invite them soon after they engage with the post. So this is a good practice to go through your last few posts every day, depending on how often you post. Because if they've more recently engaged with your content, then when they get that invitation, they'll go, oh yeah, I liked that video they posted or that picture, and they're more likely to go ahead and like the page in that moment. Isn't that cool that Facebook allows us to invite people to like the page after they have engaged with a post? I love that. Now, I will say this, if you're not creating good content on Facebook already, this isn't going to work, because in order for it to work, your content has to reach people who haven't already liked your page. So that means that you've got to create content where people are tagging friends in the comments, where people love it so much they are sharing it and getting it out in front of other eyeballs. That's the goal here. So if you need to improve your content first before you do this trick, I've got a method I've developed to help brainstorm content. I'm happy to share it with you. Go ahead and get the link down in the description of this video. And then you'll be able to do that because your content every day will reach at least a few people that weren't on your page before, and you can invite them to like the page. And finally, I know I said this is a way to reach more people for free, but if you spend even a few dollars boosting your posts to reach more people that are not already on your page, this works even better because all of those new people will then be invited to like your page. If this trick and this video is going to be helpful to you, I'd love it if you gave this video a like. Go ahead and hit subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home. Thank you so much for watching 5-Minute Social Media, and we'll see you in the next video.